Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Von Duprin number 5547 or 5547 WDC top plate for the 55 series exit devices. A 55 series is an exit device that I don't use often enough, meaning I don't see myself in applications where I get to use it enough because it's a great device. And this is what that top plate is going to look like. Now, the bottom line is, what does it look like? Well, there's a link below this video to a document called the 55 series manual, parts manual. And that's handy because you can pull up that document, search for the part that you're looking for, the 10316, and then you're going to see it along with all of its associated sister products. Okay? And, you know, it's a crucial document to be able to see how this works in conjunction to the overall assembly of the device. Now, when you look at this plate, you might say to yourself, well, gosh, that doesn't make any sense at all to me. I don't know what to do with this. And that's where the link to the installation instructions down below comes into play, because you'll notice there that you have to, I'll give you some dimensional properties of how this starts first. 5.5 inch and 3/16, let's say. You'll notice in the installation instructions on page, or at least in step 4, it tells you that you literally cut the plate on one side or the other. Okay? If you're doing a right-hand reverse, you're going to obviously remove the material for left-hand reverse application. So, those documents are handy to help you determine what's going on. You will get 3 machine screws and you will get 3 wood screws, so you can put it into either model that you need. And studying the balance of the product brochure first, or the series manual, the page where you'll find all of the descriptive information shows you all of the ancillary parts that will go not only with the top plate, like maybe the bottom plate as well, the latches, but of course every serviceable part on a Von Duprin 5547 series device. The installation instructions are very handy because it allows you to put into the overall context exactly what this part is and where it's used, etc. Parts manual is good because you might need more than this top plate, and you'll be able to source those different part numbers as well. Okay, so you will literally modify that plate to get the material installed correctly. Like to use the 55 series material when you have a code requirement for emergency egress, and having life safety or panic exit hardware is crucial. But you also have an incredibly ornate design. I've sold the 55 material to clients in that exact circumstance when there's no way around it. It's a path of emergency egress. Life safety code tells us you've got to have certain requirements. And an exit device is usually what that's going to be, a panic exit device. And you've got a very ornate door, but you know, you still have to provide security on the door. It's got to be locked from the outside when the restaurant closes. But you still have to let people out because your occupancy type and the quantity of people in that occupancy type push the life safety code to dictate or mandate exit device hardware, really, is what it is. So anyway, I'm quite partial to Von Duprin. It's because I believe they're the best in the business, whether it be publishing those parts drawings, access to parts. You know, there's a significant investment in life safety equipment, namely exit devices, and your ability to get just the plates only to continue to get useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware is crucial. I wouldn't consider a substantial investment in exit device hardware if I knew that it might be problematic to get parts down the road. And that's where Von Duprin really shines, not only with availability of the information, but the people behind, the technical support people. Second to none. Any questions on the Von Duprin 5547 WDC? This is their top plate, which is a 103/16, or any other Von Duprin product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.